So this is our purple bell pepper. This is the only bell pepper that has gotten very big because my mother and brother have prematurely removed the others.
Family secrets.
So I think we're gonna go ahead and take this one today. Look at that guy.
Aww, isn't that cute? And you know what? Food tastes so much better when you've grown it by hand. You've done the work. You planted it, you watered it, you fertilized it, you take care of it, and then you get to eat the benefit.
And we're gonna go look at these carrots over here. There's a group of like 3 carrots in there.
Yeah.
That look like.
We're gonna check them out. I hope y'all like my fancy new overalls. My son, I was having problems with my pants sliding down, and my son suggested I get a pair to wear in the garden. So I did, so I'm an official farmer now.
Since when do we ever listen to Charles?
Oh, all the time. He just don't get told about it. There's a beauty.
Wow.
There's a beauty. That other one's not bad neither.
How come it's kind of dark at the end?
I don't know, just the kind of carrot it is, I think. This one's not real fat, but it'll be good.
That one I'm interested to see.
Yeah, it's fat at the top.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that one grew good.
Awesome.
We can actually take these carrot tops and stick them back down in the ground, my mom told me, and that they should root and put out new carrots. So I think I'm gonna try it. I know that in school they had us stick it in a glass of water, get the roots going, and then we could plant them. So I think I'm gonna try it with a couple of them, see what happens.
Our onions did not get very big.
But we kind of had them crowded.
But we'll do better next year.
Yeah, we're learning. We're learning. But I did take the small ones and I sauteed them in some olive oil and they were good.